Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable troubleshooting ChargePoint errors using the support dashboard detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Navigate to the ChargePoint support dashboard. Log in using your administrator credentials. Once logged in, locate the support tab on the main menu. Click on the support tab to access various support options. Select troubleshooting from the drop-down menu. You will see a list of common ChargePoint errors. Find the specific error code or description you wish to troubleshoot. Click on the error code to view detailed information. Read through the potential causes associated with the error. Take note of any recommended solutions provided. If the provided solutions do not resolve the issue, click on the Submit a Ticket option. Fill out the ticket form with required details about the error. Include relevant information such as location, device type, and error code. Attach any images or screenshots if necessary for clarity. Review your ticket submission for accuracy. Once reviewed, click the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation message acknowledging your ticket. Carefully monitor your email for follow-up from the support team. In case of urgent issues, consider reaching out directly via the provided contact options. Keep a record of all communications for future reference. Conclude by documenting any resolutions in your system for future troubleshooting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.